Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14 Ultra and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. As you can see, we will be immediately transferred to this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, it was over 1 hour, and most of the time I've spent on the Chrome, less on the settings. We've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. And basically, you've got two different ways of checking some further details. You can either tap inside the graph, and you will be transferred to this dashboard that will show you the information for how long you've been using the device in particular days of the week. You can compare them then, and you'll see the time you've spent on specific apps. And the second way of checking the info is to tap directly on the app. So for example, the Chrome, and here again we will have the dashboard, but this time tightly connected with this one app. Yeah, so basically this is how it works. You've got also the ways to disconnect, and I highly recommend to check those options, especially if you decide that you are spending too much time on the device, on the screen, because it will help you focus. For example, just by using this focus mode, you can select some distracting apps from which you're receiving the most notifications, like for example some kind of social media or chats. Mark them. You will be able to set the schedule, so choose particular days of the week and particular hours, and your device will simply limit the notifications, and thanks to it you will be able to focus, for example, on work. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.